Ever clicked on a website and it loads so slowly you could make a sandwich, adopt a cat, and learn TypeScript before it finishes? Meanwhile, some sites load instantly, so fast it's like they knew you were coming. What's the secret? Why do some websites feel like rocket ships while others run like they're powered by potato batteries? Let's break it down. When you click a link, your browser goes on a mini adventure. First, it does a DNS lookup. It asks, where does this website live? Then it sends a request to that server. Once the server replies with the page's HTML, your browser starts building the page piece by piece, loading extra files like CSS, JavaScript, and images as needed. Think of it like ordering pizza. DNS is finding the store, the request is placing the order, and the response is the hot, cheesy content delivered right to your screen. So what actually makes a website load quickly? Here's what's happening behind the scenes. CDNs, Content Delivery Networks. These store your site's files on servers all around the world, so users get them from the closest location. Caching. Instead of loading everything from scratch, your browser or server remembers past requests to speed things up. Minification and compression. Code and files are made as small as possible to reduce load time. Lazy loading. Images and content only load when they're needed instead of all at once. Async and defer in scripts. These make sure your browser loads the visible parts of your site first and waits to run JavaScript afterward. On the flip side, let's talk about what makes websites slow, and maybe yours is guilty of a few of these. Too many HTTP requests. Every image, icon, and font is a separate request, bundled where possible. No CDN. If your server is in the US and your visitor is in Australia, there's going to be a delay. Unoptimized images. Uploading huge 4K photos directly to your homepage is just asking for trouble. Render blocking scripts. JavaScript that loads before the page can display anything. It's like forcing users to wait while your code sips coffee. Speed isn't just about looking good, it seriously matters. A 1-second delay can drop your page views by 11%. 40% of users bounce if your site takes more than 3 seconds to load. And yes, Google notices. A slow site can mean lower search rankings, fewer clicks, and frustrated users hitting the back button. So what can you do to make your site faster today? Try this. Use a CDN like Cloudflare, Netlify, or Vercel. Compress and resize your images. Minify your CSS and JavaScript files. Add async or defer to your script tags. Implement lazy loading for images and content. Run a free audit using Lighthouse or PageSpeed Insights to see what's slowing you down. At the end of the day, no one sticks around for a website that loads like it's on dial-up in 2025. If this helped you, drop a like faster than your site loads, and subscribe for more dev truths, performance tips, and brutally honest tech talk. And remember, console.log fixed performance isn't going to help you, but this channel might.